I came into the kitchen and there was glitter. And it's everywhere. It's even all over the floor. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this big mess. And look, Zart and Biggie came. And it looks like they brought us a vault. And I have no idea what's inside this vault, but it says Euro right there. So I don't know if this came all the way from Europe or not, but there's stars. And I'm just confused because there's literally glitter everywhere. So I was thinking maybe we could open this. I don't know if there's some sort of code to twist it open. Let's see, maybe 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. That was a weird sound. Oh, whoa. What in the world? The glitter must have came from the treasure chest. Oh, look. 100 euros? Whoa, that's incredible. Why is this here? Comment down below why you think they brought me euros. There's 50 euros. Okay, let's see what else. 50 more euros? Wow. Maybe I'm gonna buy a trip somewhere with these euros. 500 euros. Comment down below if you think maybe I should go to the Bahamas with this money. 50 euros and 5 euros. That'd be so much fun if I go to the Bahamas. I wonder if my elves would come. That'd be interesting. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Thanks so much for watching.